I'm starting off this soap by taking half a cup of organic gluten-free oats and grinding it in a blender. You can get colloidal oats from many suppliers, and these are oats that are blended up so finely, but we're not going to go that far. We want still some little chunks so that the oat side of the bar is scrubby. Now for the soap on this side, I'm adding a little bit of peacock from Mad Micas and some activated charcoal to make it a little bit more dark and gloomy. This is the final mix of soap after I've added all of the colorant and the oatmeal. I added the fragrance Sea Minerals from Candle Science, which did rice, but I was able to blend it out. And I'm pouring this into the slab mold as our base layer for this bar. And before we can get started on that next layer, we do need to take a field trip because we need some tools to make the next technique work. So come along with me and I'll show you what we're gonna get. And here we are at my local Dollar Tree where I'm going to be picking up 2 round cake pans and a bag of marbles. Unless you've seen this hack before, you're probably thinking that I'm absolutely bananas, but we're going to be making a homemade Lazy Susan. I don't know about you, but I don't have $1 million to buy brand new things, so sometimes I need to make it work on a dollar store budget. And this is what I came up with. In the second layer of soap, I'm going to be using fresh aloe. This is what the aloe leaf looks like, and I'll be slicing the flat side off and then scraping the innards out using a spoon. As I do this, all I'm thinking about is that part in Harry Potter where Ron accidentally curses himself and he's like barfing up slugs. That's what I'm thinking when I'm touching the inside of this aloe. Anyway, I'm getting aloe from 2 leaves. I'm scraping this one out whole, which I was actually quite impressed with. And then I'm going to put it into my blender and blend it all up so I can add it to my soap.
I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite food.
Now I've got all of my melted oils at around 90 degrees Fahrenheit along with my lye solution also at 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to blend them until they're just emulsified. Then I'm adding the aloe and I'm going to blend it a little bit more. I really want it to be well incorporated. I don't want any specks of any, aloe particulates. And then I'm splitting this batter into 2 different portions, half and half. One half is going to be colored green with Envy from Mad Micas, and the other one is going to be completely natural, no colorant in it at all. Then I'm going to start pouring down the corners. I'm alternating between the 2 different colors, and I'm pouring an even amount in each of the corners. I'm going to do this until the entire layer is filled up and I'm done with pouring all of this soap batter. Now it's time for that Lazy Susan. I place it on my surface, and while the soap is still liquid, I'm going to put it on top and spin it. This is called the Spin Swirl, and the real magic happens when you've spun the soap and then you stop spinning it and it kind of keeps going in the direction a la inertia. 24 hours later, it's ready to unmold and slice into individual bars. You can see that I got a little bit of soda ash on here. I'm really not that fussed about soda ash. It happens pretty normally. For me, it doesn't happen for a lot of my bars, but in this case, I had quite a bit of air above the bar while it was saponifying, and I think that's what caused the soda ash in this case. Using my Bud's Woodshop log splitter, I'm dividing this into 3-inch wide slabs, and then I'm going to be using my regular soap slicer to divide it even further into individual bars. You can see here the half and half look that I was going for, and it's not just a look. What's really cool about these bars is that when you're using the side with the oatmeal, you're getting the scratchiness, maybe not scratchiness, but a little bit of exfoliation. And when you're using the aloe side, you're getting all of the soothing properties of aloe. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 experience. I would love to hear what you guys think of something like this. Sound off in the comments below and let me know, is this something that you would like to use, or something that you would like to create that you think other people might like. When I'm trying to choose a soap that I want to use in the shower, I have a really hard time picking between something that is exfoliating and feels really great on the skin, or something that is super moisturizing and soothing to the skin. So I thought, why not combine it and get the best of both worlds? That way, nobody has to choose. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was informative or educational or inspired you to create something. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe so that you can see more of my videos. And until next time, be well.